We bought a van!
Hi, we're Destiny and Elizabeth, and at the beginning of this year, we started traveling the US by SUV camping in the back of our Hyundai Kona. We absolutely fell in love with this freeing lifestyle and decided to make it a permanent lifestyle for us. We just bought a van, and we have been searching for months and months and finally found our perfect van. Follow us along as we learn to build out into our own tiny home. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell for a weekly video of our van building and eventually our van life.
Hey guys, so now we're going to attempt to put the framing down before we put the subfloor. They are 1x2 pieces of wood. We already got them cut at Home Depot. I already drew a diagram of how the 1x2s need to go. It looks like jibber jabber, so wish us luck. Each little line is a different size of 1x2s that we need to put together. We're gonna start off with wood adhesive and pretty much make just like a framing around the van, and then our Havelock wool should come tonight. So between the frame, we will be putting insulation between the frame, and then once that's done, we can go and get our plywood and top that off with our plywood. We'll put out our plywood and lay it on top, and then we can get the show on the road and put our vinyl down and our flooring, and we'll finally have something done.
Woo! We got a lot done today though.
We did.
Yep.
It doesn't look like it, but at least we got our kill mat down, so we got our sound deadening
Yes.
down. And we kind of got pushed back since our door decided to break on us, so we're kind of stressed out with that.
Yay door.
Yeah.
Yay van life breaking.
So I kind of pushed this back. Now we have to do some research on figuring out where we can get the cable that busted. But besides that, we are going to continue for a few more hours tonight and get our frame done. So on Sunday we can continue and put our subfloor down.
Woo! Alright, and Destiny already labeled them so that we do not confuse them. This one is 4, why can't you read it? Whatever, 4 and 7.5 inches.
4 feet.
4 feet, yeah.
Beautiful.
Wow. Told you should be an engineer.
Alright, cool.
Which ones?
So those fit. And then we're going to put 3 18 inches in between.
Okay. Alright, so we are going to be using the Loctite PL Max Premium, the strongest, most durable, 100% solid. This is pretty much wood glue that we are going to do to glue all that. As Destiny goes with her frame and her little cute clipboard.
Alright, so I guess the 14 3/4, please. It will be 12 or 16.
These are them, right?
They should be.
Should I sand them? I think I should. A little?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Sure.
You don't want to do it too much. Just a light sand because you just want the pricklies gone, but you don't want to lose the inches that you paid for.
Please don't.
Yeah.
That was hard.
We're not sanding that much. Just the small things so that we. Oops. Place it there. Because this looks honestly pretty dangerous. Can you even see that? Right there. Look at that. Look at that. And that. And that. This one looks the worst. Literally, look at all that right there. We just don't want that. So we're gonna sand it away. Why? Because this is our home. Oh my goodness, see? Alright, so the first step to building your subfloor is framing it. And yes, we are missing some pieces. We're gonna go tomorrow morning since it's 9 p.m. We're gonna glue these down so that they stay. Alright, guys. First timer. Gonna glue it up here.
Glue it up. Wow,
Glue it up. So I just wanted to stop and say we were doing this completely wrong.
No. It's okay, I got this down. I used to use Elmo's glue all the time.
I don't think it's the same, babe.
It's the same. It's not the same.
It literally doesn't have any type of instructions. So we had some help from our new friends that we met on the internet, and they are also van lifers. Go check them out. Their name is We Take the Van on Instagram and YouTube, but they were kind enough to tell us how to properly use Loctite. It is to glue the wood to the metal, not the wood to the wood, just for future references because we couldn't find one single video that helped explain that to us. Also, they then showed us this amazing tool that you will see later in the video called a Craig saw, something like that, which helps us nail the wood to the wood, and that's how we completed our frame. Look up to Babe tracing a brand new one.
That was hard.
It was hard. How long did it take you? Oh, wow. I was sleeping, but I was also editing late last night, so I needed to. But it looks beautiful, a lot better than our janky first one here. As you can see, it's all taped up. And look what came in! So exciting, so exciting. Our wool is here. Oh yes, look at that. Designed for hashtag van lifers. Woo! Good morning. Happy whatever day it is. Saturday. We're tired, yes, because we stayed up late last night. And I guess that we didn't give up. We just called it a day. We called it a night.
We were out there for 13 hours.
Yeah, we're so exhausted. And then we came in and watched TV.
And had dinner.
Yeah. But we are off to, Home Depot. Because we're going to try and get, we need more wood slats. Mm-hmm. And then we need the plywood for the top. And then we need better adhesive wood so that it actually sticks.
Wood adhesive?
What did I say?
Adhesive wood.
Oh. I need caffeine. Yes, so off to Home Depot we go. Looking for some plywood. Are they out? So apparently they're all out of the plywood. We thought that one was the plywood, but plywood was actually here. He saved us about a few bucks. It's fine, but this is pretty nice. It's still like a nice solid, it's already finished, it's nice, and then our flooring can go on it. So we got the pieces there. Now we're gonna go get some wood cut.
waiting for our wood to be cut. We're in line. If no one's told you yet, Home Depot is never like a quick in and out. No. And it's never like a let me just get this really fast. We've been here for an hour. And really, there's only, I'm gonna say, 2 items, but 4 of one item and 3 of another item. And that's it. That's it. Yeah. Look forward to spending a lot of time here. Just saying. Later, and we have our flooring. We got our own parking spot. We were in there all day. All morning. All morning. This is 6 a.m. So we got our wood cut. We bought our ruler. We bought this because we need one. We bought some safety goggles. And from our wonderful friends, Jared and Ashley, we take the van. They told us to get this wonderful thing. Go follow them on Instagram and YouTube because they're amazing. And we got our flooring. And we just got this so we can make holes like this. Trying to figure it out. Bring the last pieces of the frame in. Then we're gonna drill it. Screw it. Ready, better? All screwed in. We started to glue this side, but you know what? We think we'll be fine. We're not gonna glue it at all. So what we did was screw it in. You can see there with these 1 1/4 crates holes. All done. So exciting. Next is cutting this guy out.